Hare Krishna. So, Pañca-tattva mantra. Let's go name by name and I'll explain certain important things in the pronunciation. So the first name is Shri Krishna. We'll leave Krishna to our next tutorial on the Maha Mantra and we'll discuss now Chaitanya. So Chaitanya. Listen carefully. Chaitanya. Chai, I don't say Chaitanya. I often heard devotees pronounce it as Chaitanya. It's not chai. We're not drinking chai. And also, it is not pronounced as Chaitanya. It's not A. So there are two ways in which you can pronounce it improperly. Either Chaitanya or Chaitanya. So let's stay in the middle. Chai, I. The sound is actually a single vowel in Sanskrit, but it is a diphthong, a term coming from in Western phonology. One sound gliding into another. So the first sound is I don't open my mouth widely, not chai, chai. The first is and then it glides into I. Chai, chai, I. Neither A nor I. Chai. Okay? So Chaitanya, Lord Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Nityananda. Especially native English speakers tend to pronounce it as Nichananda. Nichananda almost sounds like Nichananda, the son of a fallen person. So we went all the way from eternal bliss to the son of the fallen. Nichananda. So don't say Nichananda. Say Nitya. Tya. This syllable is important. You need to practice it. Nityananda. Your tongue has to touch your teeth. Whenever there is ta in Sanskrit, it is not ta as in English, where the tongue is slightly above your upper teeth. But yet the tip of the tongue has to touch the teeth. If you look in the mirror, you should be able to see it if you practice it well. Tya, tya. Nityananda. So Nityananda. And the next name is Gadadhara. Gadadhara. Notice where is the long vowel. Gadadhara. The second one, not the third one. Often you hear Gadadhar from devotees. Gadadhar. It's not Gadadhar, it's Gadadhara. All other A's are short and you just run through them really fast. So Gadadhara. Plus, you need to make that aspiration. Push a bit more air from your lungs on the dha. Gadadhara. Gadadhara, the holder of a club. Gadadhara. And then Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. And before that comes Shrivasadi, beginning with Shrivasa. So Shrivasadi. Notice how many long vowels is there. Shrivasadi. 3 long vowels, and you need to really emphasize them. All 3 of them. Shrivasadi. Not Shrivasadi, not Shrivasadi, but Shrivasadi. Put an emphasis on each of them. Shrivasadi. Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. So that Gaura is again, just like with Chaitanya, it's not Gaura. You do not open your mouth on that ah. You don't make that ah too open. Not Gaura and not Gaura. It's not too much O. Not Gaura. But Gaura. So short gliding into U. Another diphthong. Gaura. Gaura. Bhakta Vrinda. And Bhakta Vrinda again. We are talking about aspiration. The first syllable bha. It's not just bhakta. It's bhakta. Just as when we say Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, Bhagavan, all these widely used words in the devotional world, we need to learn to pronounce them correctly. So the first bha is an aspirated one. Exercise your lungs. Bha, bha, bhakta vrinda. And vrinda, again, you will understand it a bit better when we discuss the Maha Mantra and the name Krishna. We forgot about Advaita. So again, it's not Advaita, just like with Chaitanya, not Chaitanya, and not Advaita, and not Advaita. Also, don't smudge it into A. It's not Advaita. Advaita. Ay. So this is for the Pañca-tattva mantra. So let's repeat it again. Listen once and repeat after me. Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Alright, let's do it together. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. One more time. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. And last time. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Alright, so we are ready to go for the Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna.